Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, January 5th. Today, let's talk about the essentials of mindfulness and the difference between mindfulness and meditation. A lot of times, these two terms are used interchangeably, although technically they are different concepts. As James Barras puts it, mindfulness is simply being aware of what is happening right now without wishing it were different, enjoying the pleasant without holding on when it changes, which it will, and being with the unpleasant without fearing it will always be this way, which it won't. Meditation, on the other hand, usually refers to a more formal practice in which you dedicate a period of time to develop concentration. In this way, meditation can be seen as a tool to cultivate day-to-day mindful living. Here are some essential points to introducing a more formal meditation practice into your daily life. The first key is making time to meditate. And you are already showing up to our Mindful Mornings reflections. So if you want to develop a more formal meditation practice of your own, I have no doubt you can do it. Just remember that you don't need to meditate for an hour, especially in the beginning. Even 5 minutes is already good enough. The second point is creating space to practice. Again, nothing special is needed here. Let go of the idea that there is a perfect place or a bad place to meditate. You can do it literally anywhere, even in a noisy public space. It can be a great place for your meditation. The third key is setting an intention. You wouldn't be here if you didn't have some intention in mind. So ask yourself, why am I interested in finding a more mindful way to live? Whatever your answer, it helps to consistently remind yourself of this deeper intention, connecting with what drives you. The mind may try to convince you not to follow through, or that you don't have time to meditate. And fighting these thoughts often proves futile. Instead, bring the mind back to your deeper intention. Remember what matters to you. This is what will help you be consistent. The fourth essential of the practice is building this consistency. And the practices we're exploring in this series present opportunities to investigate mindfulness in many different ways. Try to use at least one every day, always keeping your intention of mindfulness present. Practicing consistently helps you train the mind effectively. Another key point is social support. As we know from practicing together in our Sangha, our group, social support can go a long way toward encouraging new habits. So take advantage of this support by sharing your experiences in the comments to the videos or posting them in our Mindful Mornings private circle group. Or you may want to actually find a mindfulness buddy, be it somebody from our community here or your friend who has same intentions. And finally, keeping a journal is also a wonderful supportive practice to building everyday mindfulness. If you want to embark on this journey, get a dedicated journal, and after each practice, take a few very simple notes. It doesn't have to be an essay. You can also journal around the daily prompts I'm posting in the Mindful Mornings private circle group. The act of writing down your experience with mindfulness can help you understand it more clearly, ingrain your newfound insight into the mind, and give you something to look back on. Also, looking back at your meditation mindfulness journal will help you see the progress you make over the years, which is wonderful. So, Today, let's do another basic mindfulness practice called the power of the mind. The mind is a powerful tool, and in mindfulness practice, you learn to train and work with this tool in an intentional, focused way. This practice lets you play with the power of your mind, showing you how to gently encourage it in different ways. You'll also witness the mind's auditory and visual thinking patterns, which is always cool. Remember to bring playfulness and curiosity to this practice. Try not to take yourself too seriously. With that in mind, take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. For this practice, I actually encourage you to close your eyes and take a moment to notice how the body is resting. Keep the spine tall, your posture alert, and at the same time, allow all the muscles to relax. Now, keeping your eyes closed, try to bring to mind the room or whatever space in which you are sitting. Can you picture where in the space your body is resting? See if you can visualize the room in your mind or whatever space you're in. So if it's a room, picture the floor, the walls, the doors, and see what else you can bring up in your mind to piece together the space. Now, letting go of the image of the space you're in, picture yourself somewhere peaceful. Maybe it's a beach, a forest, or whatever you call your happy place. In the same way, picture the space around you. Try to bring as many details as possible. Now let go of the visualization and bring to mind a song or tune you know very well. Try to hear the words, the melody in your head. Now use the mind to change the experience of hearing the song. Try to turn the volume down, making the song quiet. Now turn the volume up a bit. Maybe investigate what it's like to slow the song down or speed it up. Have fun with it. And now let that go. Pause for a moment to recognize the power of your own mind. With a small amount of effort, you can conjure up visualizations, some of us better, some of us not so good, but it's still okay. You can play music, you can alter the experience in any way you choose. And again, it becomes better and better with practice. Isn't that cool? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As always, as you gently let go of this practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to return to this fun practice. Remember to be playful and curious and just have fun with your powerful mind. As always, enjoying your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.